food inside?
Hala. Forgot.
Baby food?
No, yeah, forgot. Can we go back?
No. All good. We'll go and get it out. Or if fruit is there, you feed it there.
Fruit. No need to fruit. Only that beetroot. Okay.
No, I'm just saying here, if you are not coming back also, just see if food is there, fruit is there.
Okay. See. Hi everyone.
They're
Good
telling until
morning.
2 o'clock only, no? Already 12.
Yes. Good morning. I am Shiloh. We are on the way to
From that divider, take
the
right and immediately left.
venue of my Kuya Kadi wonderful birthday. Yes, mom and dad is with me. Yeah. I am already 45 weeks. Exactly 45 weeks. And I am already walk 3 steps last night. Oh no. But my mommy and daddy didn't take the video because the phone is a little bit far from us. Tama yan? We are near my last Shiloh. Oh no. Oh no, Shiloh, mommy. Our daddy is there. Oh, daddy. And mommy and Shiloh is here. Shiloh, mana? Take me.
Hi,
We are
Shiloh.
here.
Para kasi Corin na.
Oh.
Para kasi Corin na. Kasi ito, kay Corin ko dati. Tsaka, ay, dito kay Corin. Hi, Corin. Hi, Corin. Shiloh. Huh? Ay.
Ayaw niya. Ako daw.
Lola. Lola. Ah, Lola.
Because
Morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Hi.
You are not coming to church. You are coming to
Hi.
Sleeping?
about to.
Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Tita. Welcome.
Sleepy na talaga.
Hi, hi. Oh. Ganda ng decoration nila, oh.
Maybe someone get my on the way.
Everybody is here.
From that day.
Even down here. Oh. Titi. Amira, hello. Hi. Uy. Ate, hello. Ate Corinne. Hello, Ate Corinne.
Oi! Young one. Go.
Musta, dear?
Okay lang.
Oh, meron pa ng balon dito.
Tulog. Gabi is sleeping already. Yay! Ay, ano yun?
Rice.
Saan yung camera? Kung ba't yung camera ko pa?
Ano to, dear? Palabok?
Oo, pala.
Palabok. Wala, hindi ko alam pangalan nito. Basta
kaldereta.
Kaldereta.
Oo.
Fried chicken. And mayroon pang
pinakamasarap na
rice. Yes. And then, pansit. Spaghetti. Ano to? I don't know the name. Shanghai. Gulay na kalabasa. Which hipon siya. Hipon. And then this one. Fried fish. Everybody is Caroli.
You I got a 9-1 spider waist package.
Ubi halaya. Boko pandan.
Abot niya ang
Yan,
ano, lahat.
puto.
Ay, naku.
Puto tsaka juice and soft drinks. Mother and daughter. He is the mother of the
Akala ko
birthday
yan ang mother.
celebrant.
Ang mother niya.
Joker ka talaga, there,
Akala
no?
ko mother niya. Ito, tanggalin na to.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Right. So again, good morning, magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Good morning to all. And first of all, we would like to thank everyone for your time and for your love. You know, we appreciate you that you come here in this place. Talagang kami masaya na kayo ay narito. So now we will just do a short program, and then after that, of course, we will enjoy the food, and then maybe later we will do something. You know? Yeah, we will run games.
Or something.
Games. So, who is the game master here? Maybe you have some games that we can do. Okay, so. Okay, so let's sing 2 songs. For everyone who has SDA hymnal, can you please share it to our visitors here? Yeah, so let's sing or worship the Lord. I don't know the hymnal.
That's different.
Oh, worship the Lord.
Worship the
83.
Ay, baka mahulog si Corinne.
We worship the King or the Lord?
Worship the Lord.
6. We worship the Lord. Oh, worship the King.
That will be very happy because that is the letter C, the first letter of the name, the word is our name. Her name is Shireen and my name is Cornelio. For those who don't know my real name, my name is Cornelio.
Very near to the
What a
name.
mouthful, right? So that's it. And then our endear name of endearment, no, is Fadi. So Fadi comes from So Fadi comes from I don't know if Farsi or Arabic. Arabic, no? Arabic word which means no, the whole word is
Pedetic.
Fedetic. That's the pronunciation, but we pronounce it as Fadi. So that means my everything because she's my everything. Even I don't know if it is the same same to me.
Yeah, you are my everything. You're my headache. You're
Well, that's the perks of having a. Okay, so yeah, so that's why we come up with the name Kali. The second name Zechariah. If you will, check with Zechariah, you see the character in the Bible, and the name, the meaning of the name is the Lord remembered us. So we choose that name because first, someone from our youth department, one youth suggested that name, and we found that name in the Bible, and we like the meaning. Second thing, because the Lord always remembers us in our hard times, in our good times, you know. So having Him is such a wonderful blessing, even though He's a bunch of headaches sometimes.
The source of stress and source of strength.
The source of joy and the source of stress. Yeah. So that's about Him. And today I would like to read a Bible verse coming from Psalms. Let me just pull it up real quick. So if you have Bibles in your mobile phones, you can open it through Psalms 118, verse 24. Psalms 118, verse 24. And it says, "This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it." Okay? So this verse, this Bible verse reminds us to be thankful in each day. Not just your birthday. I mean, birthdays are special because that's the time when, you know, when we were brought up to this world. And every birthdays are special because we are acknowledging the goodness of the Lord in our lives. Imagine 1 year. Many things can happen. You may have a year of sorrow. You may have a year of joy. Maybe you may die, or you may get sickness. We don't know. So that's why every birthday that came, we always thank the Lord that you know, for He is really good to us, even though sometimes we are stubborn children of His. But He is always blessed us with everything that we need. So this birthday, the Lord wants us to remember that let us always thank Him for everything that we got, big or small. Even when we wake up in the morning, you know, we always thank the Lord that we still have another day to live. Yes? So that's it. And let's just don't forget to always thank the Lord in everything, good or bad, big or small. We always have to come back to Him, because without Him, we are nothing. Okay. So for our birthday boy, you know, we are very happy that throughout his life, you know, nothing happened. Everything went normal. Of course, there are times that he got sick, you know, but nothing really major, which is what we really thankful for to God. And we pray for him that he will grow up according to what the Lord wants him to be. So thank you very much for your time, and Pastor. Hi, good morning. Now let's sing one more hymnal before we finish. Sit down, sit down.
Gusto niya rin magpakagod.
Antok na. Antok na.
Antok na din siya.
Oo, tabi kayo. Where's your Mimi?
Who has light?
Oh, nice! Nice cake!
Who is this?
Who is this? You know that character?
Blow, blow. Blow your cake.
Galing mag-beautiful eyes pala to eh.
Nag-beautiful eyes pa siya. Tinuruan ko lang ito kagabi.
Ablo na ka na, galing.
Ayos ka ha? Hindi ko nakikita yun ha.
Lola, blow, blow.
Hi Tito. Hello everyone. Hello.
Blue ka candle oh.
Wala atang ano. This little of mine. Ang ganda siya.
Ay, kuya baka may light.
Okay. Very good.
Yun pala eh. Sige, sige. Yan.
Parang ano ah.
Excited. Excited na mag-blow agad. Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ayaw mag-blow. Oh, blow na, blow.
Blow, blow, blow.
Blow, blow, blow.
Blow. Blow. Blow.
Yay!
You blow, Amira. Kaya mo yan.
Mira, mira.
Blow, blow, blow.
Blow, blow, blow. Ha?
Colin, dalawa, Colin.
Blow, blow.
Ay,
Corin, blow, blow. Blow, Corin, blow.
Ayaw, ayaw.
Oh, blow niya na.
Oh, let's see.
Oh, 1, 2.
Yay!
Wala na.
Happy birthday to you.
He's so confused. He's so confused. What is going on?
Blow.
Ayan, pagbuluin mo ka, Jun.
Blow, blow, blow.
Pagbuluin mo, Jun. Gusto mag-
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday mo eh. Blow na. Blow.
Blow, 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 blow.
Oh, blow.
Blow, blow, blow. Blow.
Blow na, blow.
Fire yan eh. Fire, fire.
Awi.
1, 2, 3. Kadi, kadi, kadi. Kadi.
Kuya Kadi ka.
1, 2. Sige. 1, 2. Sige. Wah.
Salamat ng marami. Marami na.
Kain na kain.
Lucas na. Ano ba yan? Happy birthday. Nakalimutan na.
Yo, ako nakalimot. Ilang din nakalimot. Mga Bisaya man din pala. Sa mukha man.
Kadi ako.
Kinahan kay ko ni mo Binisaya.
Ay, sa mukha gina. Nasibuano gid kayo yun.
Kani?
Yan butangan man jud kuno lagi po sa barista maning nga.
Tanawa dito.
Hey, binuang.
Binuang tanawa lagi.
Lagi man sila.
Tanaw-tanaw. Lola.
Hi, hi everything.
Kuya Kadi, Kuya Kadi.
Mami.
Lola, Lola.
Oh, Lola, Lola.
Lola.
Saan Lola?
Lola.
Miss na si Lola. Lola.
Picture with Kuya Kadi.
Yes. Picture with Kay Kati.
Lola pa na.
Ang sangka ba?
Corin, come here.
Oh no! Kuya? Kuya Kadi.
1, 2.
Shiloh, shine. Shine daw. Shine daw.
Sitipay.
Shiloh.
Mashallah.